and the red is blood, and so write a page of what it is. Go. We'll have fun with that.
The J. You forgot the J. The candy cane makes a J for Jesus. You're using your little cane to walk as an old woman? You silly. She's walking with her candy cane. She's walking with her candy cane on the ground. I don't know what we got cooking on in here, but it smells good.
Well, my famous walnut peppermint router.
We got the Mama Joanne. We got the baby Haley.
And those are my famous Switzerland cupcakes. Come here! Peppermint that I ground up by hand.
Oh, look at the peppermint she grounds up. Oh, she's eating it. And what do we got here? No saying, yes, no lying, no walking with candy cane. No saying, shut up. That's right. Is that smudge? I think we can go let Butterball and Casey in now. Just sniff it. No, no, just kidding. No sniffy sniffy on the sugar. She's making a mess. She's making a mess. Come on, you two.